Bitcoin is dipping. Bitcoin is in fact 40% corrected from its previous all-time high back in November of 2021. Welcome back everybody to Altcoin Daily, where you subscribe for daily videos on everything going on in cryptocurrency. Well, just a few months ago, Bitcoin was sitting at $68,000. Today, it is over 40% corrected at $40,000. Now, here's the thing. It could go a little bit lower. Anything could happen in the short term. For me, I don't see it going below 39,000. I don't see it going below 39,000, but anything could happen. More than that, however, it is my belief that a major bounce is coming. Bitcoin is at 41,000 right now. I think it could go to 39,000. Anything could happen, but I believe that a major bounce is coming. Why do I say that? Pay attention. To better understand where we're going, we must understand how Bitcoin and crypto has gotten to this point. Why is Bitcoin having such a brutal week? Why has Bitcoin been in a downtrend for months, and why is it having such a brutal week? Now, in our video from just one day ago, we went over thoroughly, reason after reason, why Bitcoin is having such a brutal week. To recap, it could be from Kazakhstan going offline and Bitcoin miners in Kazakhstan going offline, 12% of the Bitcoin hash rate. It could be from the Federal Reserve tapering interest rates. It could be from low trading volumes. It could be from flight from risky markets. It could be from manipulation and liquidations from the whales, or it could be all of the above. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I think it is all of the above. And what happens when all of this culminates? The price goes down, people get scared, the price goes lower. Fear, and now extreme fear, has entered the market. Last month it was fear. Last week it was extreme fear. Yesterday it was extreme fear, and now it's even more extreme fear. Now we're at a 10. Now, I believe a big bounce is coming. Let me tell you why. Think about it like this. Every time the fear and greed index has been around 10, it's been an incredible buying opportunity. Take a look. Right now we're at a 10. This was 19. This was 9. This was 11. I wish I bought more is probably something you've heard 1,000 times and maybe thought yourself. Well, it's back at a 10 again. Now, this isn't financial advice. Ultimately, you need to make your own decisions. I can tell you that I've bought more Bitcoin, I've bought more Ethereum, I've bought more quality alts, because those of us who have been in cryptocurrency a while understand the psychology of a market cycle, and it always goes like this, and ebbs and flows. It always goes like this. If you understand human psychology, you can better tame every market you come in contact with. Bitcoin, commodities, stocks, whatever it is. This is universal. The logical buying pattern of most people. Instead of buying after 30 to 40% dips, which we have now, they think it will go lower. Then they ultimately cave into buying while everybody is euphoric. Buy the fear, sell the euphoria. Does this look familiar? I'll wait for a dip. It's going to go lower. I'll wait for a dip. It's going to go lower. I'll wait for a dip. It's going to go lower. I'll wait for a dip. It's going to go lower. FOMO buying once it pumps. Beyond that, I believe that a big bounce is coming because many metrics have reset, or many metrics have entered a buy zone, or many metrics have entered basically touching support or close to it. Drawdowns equal to previous cycles. Check out 2011, 2013, 2017, and now 2021. Take a look. It's circled on the chart. Will we bounce off the trend line like we have seen so many times in the past? Well, for me, what I'm asking myself is, where's adoption? Where's the fundamentals? Is anything fundamentally different than what it was a year ago or 2 years ago or whenever you formed your investor's thesis? For me, it is different. It's more bullish. The fundamentals are better. Let's go through some of the things happening in cryptocurrency today. If you're getting value in this video, give it a like, share with a friend. Let's get into it. PayPal, getting into cryptocurrency last year, honestly, in my opinion, was one of the biggest green flags for me that Bitcoin and crypto were here to stay in the mainstream. PayPal and companies like it, they're so tight with Wall Street. They wouldn't be doing this if they thought cryptocurrency was just going to be around for a year or two. They're not doing this to gear themselves up for a great 2022. They're gearing themselves up for a great 2020 decade and beyond. So last year, they had just started enabling Bitcoin, Ether, Litecoin, Bcash purchases. Today, PayPal says it is exploring a stablecoin, and they didn't even want to share this information after a dev discovered it in the code. They're now planning a stablecoin, an effort that got outed by a developer who caught it in the code. Switching to a stablecoin standard is going to onboard so many people into Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, just like NFTs have been doing last year and continue to do. Speaking of NFTs onboarding so many people, rapper Nas to let fans own part of his music through NFTs. Legendary hip-hop icon Nas will drop non-fungible tokens that let users own streaming royalty rights for the songs Ultra Black and Rare. So we're only in the first inning of NFTs, and I expect that momentum to continue. Of course, it's going to go in ebbs and flows, but we continue to see celebrity and fans alike wanting, needing to get involved. Quentin Tarantino and Secret Labs are going ahead with NFTs minted on Secret Network, basically extras from Pulp Fiction, even though Miramax claims that they can't. So the revolutionaries continue. People are into this. To go along with this, why am I so bullish? Just because the amount of money that we have seen flow into cryptocurrency over the past couple years, which some has even yet to be deployed. So much money is still coming in. Serum is raising $100 million for DeFi on Solana. Solana's not slowing down, they're just getting started. Cryptos like Solana, just getting started. The funds will be used to expand the existing ecosystem and to incubate new projects. DeFi on Solana is going to get bigger. NFTs on Solana going to get bigger. Metaverse has barely gotten started, and we're seeing so many big brands announce their intention or begin the process of getting on board. Disney, kind of like Facebook, going with a more centralized metaverse, it seems. But again, this is going to break down barriers for so many people. Disney allowed to create its own metaverse at theme parks. Walt Disney received federal approval for a patent to create a virtual world at its theme parks. Yes, it is official now. Disney is officially creating its own metaverse after its CEO announced plans to do so back late last year. The momentum continues. The momentum for cryptocurrency gaming continues. Last week, we saw over 62,000 new Gods Unchained accounts created. Just last week. This is a 300% increase from just 2 months ago. And if these dApps on the underlying protocol continue to onboard users, I suspect the dApps will continue to be successful. 2022 is going to be such a big year for Ethereum. Lots of people throwing shade on ETH due to high fees, which suck. But reality is, layer 2s are exploding, proof of stake is coming, and sharding is coming. Do not fade ETH. Before we get to more altcoins, let me take 60 seconds and turn you on to a major opportunity that most people in crypto do not realize they can take advantage of. This can benefit most crypto holders and traders greatly. And this opportunity is through a sponsor of ours, Choice App. So if you're unfamiliar, Choice App enables you to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and thousands of other traditional assets, including 22 and counting crypto assets, without having to pay a dime in capital gains tax. This is huge. So Choice App offers more crypto assets than actually any other retirement app. They offer Bitcoin, Ethereum, Aave, Cosmos, Polkadot, Chainlink, Maker, Solana, Uniswap, Yearn Finance, and many, many more, and they will continue to add more in the future. You can hold your own keys. Their fees are low and highly competitive. You can hold and trade cryptocurrency with no capital gains tax. If you think that your Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other crypto assets are going to be worth a lot of money in the long term, why not put a portion of your stack into Choice App so that when you're ready to cash out, you will not have to pay any capital gains tax. Your future self will thank you. In my opinion, Choice is the best retirement IRA app on the market today for crypto holders. Use the link in the description and get $50 in free Bitcoin when you start your Choice App account today. Do not fade much of cryptocurrency. They're well-funded, well-backed, and their ecosystems continue to grow. Cardano's case, let's just look at gaming. where once there was nothing, now it is growing. A whole gaming universe is waiting for all Cardano fans ahead. Can't wait to see their explosion this year. So, with that being said, let me know which cryptocurrency protocols you are bullish on in 2022, which ones have real value, real quality fundamentals. Let me know in the comments section below. If you got value in this video, give it a like. It takes 2 seconds, really helps us out. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. That being said, I'll see you tomorrow. I still believe it's going to be a great year.